Hey guys, Technomentor with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to rotate a picture on your iPhone without any third-party apps. So let's get started. So on the latest iOS version, it's going to be really simple. First thing is we're going to go ahead and open up the Photos album app so we can go ahead and find our photo that we like to rotate. So I'm going to click on one of the albums here. And then after that, you're going to want to go ahead and select the photo you like to rotate. In my case, I selected a photo. After that, you're going to click on that edit option. And from there on, we're going to click on crop. And from there on, we can now rotate it using this icon that's up top right here. You will see here it's a square with the arrow going counterclockwise. If I click on it, it rotates it one time. If I click on it again, it rotates it another time. And you can keep on rotating it till you like the position that you want. Along with that, you can also flip it as well if you want to flip the side and then rotate it that way as well. So those are the two options available. And once you're satisfied, you just hit that done option, and now we have rotated a photo or a picture on our iPhone, and that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider hitting that like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. See you guys next time.